Mr. Homeschool.
Hi, Mr. Homeschool here. So today's lesson is going to be all about sailor knots that you can do at home. Ropes, also known as lines on board U.S. Navy ships, are used all the time. So they're used to control the sails, they are used to tie the ship to the pier, they are used to secure objects during rough seas, all different purposes. So since sailors are always using ropes, a strong knot is very important. A good knot is not only very strong under pressure, but can be easily untied. These knots are useful in everyday life as well, not just on a boat. There are many knots out there, but let's go over the two go-to knots that I remember while serving in the Navy myself. The first is called a bowline, which is the most popular and oldest go-to sailor knot and just go-to knot in general. So this is primarily used to secure around or through another object. So this is a practical example of how to tie a bowline since it's going around an object. So you take your left hand side and make a loop. Now remember that's going clockwise. So you see it's going clockwise. So the left hand side is underneath the right hand side if you're looking at it like this. So you take your right line, you go through the circle, then under this side, then back through the circle. You hold on to both of these ends, you pull on this end, and pull tight.
So I make a loop on the left side by going underneath. Then I hold it up and pull the right side through. Then go under and back through the loop. Hold the right lines together as well as the left and pull.
Second is called a square knot, which is another go-to sailor knot, especially in the Navy. Because not only is it useful for tying two ends of a line, but this is how sailors tie their neckerchief of their dress uniform. Okay, so this one's simple. You just take your two ends, it goes left over right, then right over left. And if you could pull them like this, that means you did it correctly.
So you take your two ends, you go left over right, pull, and then right over left, pull, and you have your square knot.
Hey, thanks for coming with us to learn all about sailor knots. Hey, so did you hear about the knot contest?
Nope.
It ended in a tie. Come on, wasn't that a funny joke?
I'm afraid not.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more things like this, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And as always,
Thank you, and God bless you. Mr. Homeschool.